Hey everyone, if you want to delete projects in HeyGen in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to remove unwanted videos and drafts to keep your workspace organized. First, sign into your HeyGen account and go to the Projects section. This is where all your videos and drafts are stored. Next, find the video or draft you want to remove. Yeah, you can use folders or the search function if you have many projects. Hover over the project and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains several project management options. Now click Delete from the menu, so HeyGen will ask you to confirm before permanently removing the project. Click Confirm to continue. Yeah, once the project is deleted, it may not be recoverable. If you want to remove several projects at once, select multiple items and use the bulk management options. This saves time when cleaning up your workspace. Before deleting important videos, consider moving them into folders. Organizing projects can help you avoid accidentally losing valuable work. After deleting a project, refresh the dashboard to make sure the changes have been applied, so the removed video should no longer appear in your workspace. If the delete option isn't working, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or try another browser. Yeah, temporary browser issues can sometimes prevent changes from being saved. If you're unable to remove a project, contact HeyGen support for assistance. They can help investigate workspace-related problems, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete projects in HeyGen in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.